And sorry, swear, for one of the Mukai says, they say there, Ghana, I did be a friend, no, a government WhatsApp group. Wait, do you know that we have a government WhatsApp group? Yeah, and it's our WhatsApp group now. Franklin Kujomu, and all those people that we respect so much. And there's some of the so-called neutrals. Most of them, majority of them, almost our government WhatsApp group no so. And the honor, assembly bar, they put it there, and then they say send your mobile money numbers. Now we now master the mobile money number. Now I teach kana mo. And to muji we na say share na wanko ka wansem. That is a kind of say the use of the government WhatsApp group no. Now one of the members of the government WhatsApp group are a friend Kofi Asare. Or see or educationist and part of education think tank for. Okay. Now, Kofi Asare, yesterday, Auntie Amma, you are welcome. Auntie Ellen, you are welcome. Yesterday, Kofi Asare came out to say after a year. Okay. After a kind of State of the Nation address, say he is disappointed. And the reason he's disappointed is because, according to government WhatsApp group member, a friend of Kofi Asare no, John Mahama, His Excellency, throughout the State of the Nation address, no, did not speak about teacher shortages. Okay, government did not. John Mahama did not speak about teacher shortages. Now I ask myself, say, he said the Banasena, a WhatsApp group member. It means boldness enough to say, they say the baby nyama record here and koi. Skana sana 88 million asa. Because scanning sign, I don't think say they will come out now and see the reality as we've been trying to tell them over and over and over. You see, I complain, you can't say MPP for. So when MPP now, the ordinary Ghanaian, as they like to call us. So that is it. People are now beginning to speak up. I know some of them are trying to blackmail the government to give them more money. So when they start giving them more money than what it is now, they will keep quiet. They will not talk about it again. A political trick some of them are using. But however, no, the say they are beginning to speak now. Now, one thing again, very important, and he said, why will the president decide to actually do SONA on a Friday? Enyekwa. Don't think, sir, the president choosing a Friday to go to parliament and to go Nicodemously read the kind of things he read. Now, it has no meaning. It has meaning. The president knows, say, in Sema Oba Parliament, sorry to say, but a Baldadash on Empa, say, Yansam Bienim. And so, yeah, mistake. Echo read this State of the Nation address. Mami, you're welcome. On Tuesday, it will give us Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday, Friday, Saturday to peruse the address before we go into the next week. Right? But because he knows that whatever he's coming to read is full of lies, is full of inaccuracies, is full of hallucinations. Obi ultimately rely on the AI power to do their project work. They will know what I'm talking about. Recently, now me project B for the PhD, and I went to use AI. Luckily for me, he said I knew about what I was searching for. When me home response, no. I say Are they really full of hallucination? What is not there, it will go and find for you that this, and that, and that, and that. My message you are in my mind. John Mahama knew, say, what he was bringing to Parliament, no, there was no substance in it. So how do we get Ghanaians not to discuss about it? Let me read it on a Friday. Saturday, Ghanaians will go to funeral because this Saturday is the last Saturday, okay, of February. So most people have gone for funerals. And the radio discussions, people will not really listen to it. People will not really pay attention to it. The next day, Sunday. Sunday, no church, no radio shows, no political shows, almost across all the TV stations. By Monday, everything might have been diluted down. Ghanaians are going to work. There is, now, water shortage by itself, transportation shortage, all those things will cause Ghanaians not to concentrate on even this issue that we are going to discuss. And to and I think sometimes you must give them the credit. They are tactical. We are very, very tactical. We have to learn from it. If Ghanaians are not complaining about it, then we should also learn from it, I think. Now,
Mahama Chantro.
Are they?
He lied.
Just saying.
The president of the republic stood in the House of Records. A Chantro Ghana for say, Obey your man penino. A Juma Abba, a woman, a 1 million. Or say from first quarter to third quarter, 2025, 21 million jobs were found. Those were the words he used. And now, Yera Al-Hassana, on a Ghana Statistical Service, on also Abba Bontin, Abekasa, Ayo video, on also say the same time frame now Yera Mahama de Mayan, first quarter to third quarter, in Yuma, a buy, 330,000. So where did the president get the 1 million jobs from?
Me tear speech in a horror make hyper or can say according to Ghana Statistical Service.
Yes. Or say according to. And I mean Sumima Dancy dear say according to the same Ghana Statistical Service and some Obama me permission. Me send the video na ma mo production. Or mo mama Ghana for 1990. Ghana Statistical Service penina or down on one kasa to no tuo aside from say mo website and no social media graphics or media to hon. Or one kasa to manu to say, sa 9 months, first quarter to third quarter, 330,000 jobs. So, which Ghana Statistical Service being built na President Mahama Kanwase? Yera Mahama, Oman Penyin Kujina, the House of Records, Ghana Fontro. He's lied. And the state of the nation now. Yera Mahama ye ati said the mini apenyi kojo upon komakan eya settings aban ye mama wo enyina so maka kira wo say wo see ade esi he duro ampa wa ye duro kane no ye pe duro a ye nya bi e na wa ye duro nini menum a me ho beto me try ama anya bi wo buy what me aye the branding kama aye den afam ho afa me konum aduro na wo se e be sa me yare na me yare ne nko e fam ba bi kura no afa di ahututuo asa ba me so wo se wa ye Ghana economy ni yi Ghana economy ni a wa ye ni yi no me ko to electricity ana me ho papa me ko to nsu a me ho papa me ko pe car me ho papa me ko pe aban dwumas die bi e de aye abo me bra aban si sa dwuma na me di ama no me di wo ha mo abupen aduasa ni ekopi meduanan asa toka ne so enti aduro na wo de maame no wo de maame so obekumi ana so obesai mabrabo enti nya settings
obi ka say is it not too early say betumi obi be ka say aban no e mo no ho mode san say afentamu no e be de so betumi atoto ne niam nyina enti bia femienu sentem na ke bia obi ka
is it also not too early say aban ne be ka say aban papa aba no asesan ya brabo
okay.
That's the point. So who buy and who back say me try me ntimi nwie ye me bo me ho mode we dia wo se aban papa ba mama Ghana fo asetena mu ho ato enye nsem o mo ka no wo de opa ko TikTok na ko hwede ekoso wo so adanko dada adwe enema na ekoso ye kan we ni aye we economy na omo ka ho asem no eja kwabna woni me be ya adwen se ahokyere wo man mu ahohihia wo man mu adwuma mu sem ho ayedin ama Ghana mabunu enna wo ko Facebook wa wono mu su dodo apa adwuma eka mu ma ye NDC for mabunu na eka ma e social media say adwuma ni ho intimidate
say oye ya to abam as MP kra no kopi parliament na bind the bibiba na ompene so a obeto etia wo onfa ho say ye wa ban ye wo hwan but Ghanaians your mentality be say once Ashanti for no cry there na normally say on say omo mun sem kano santini betme yiwama tina say ye hunu say MP NDC numbers increase kakra wo Ashanti region but other tribes na kano me more tribe fufu be dem there but other tribes na kano ho wono NDC no NDC ni what you say enti just emma politics aye wo Ghana no ja to the point say hu de ye pa na o ka kire NDC ni say ade we sesa na omoa wo se da because onana omame ni nuanom obi aye NDC fo nti wo so ye NDC ni na me hwe akwabi interview a okoye wo NDC campaign bi ase no buza say edenti na wa ba ha sisi a o say NDC ntina ma wa ha and I say okay di ntina wo di NDC achi o say o media me pe NDC eno ntina ma wa ha that's all na nu ya nani 3 days me hwe video bi ma me ba ko mu ko dwom no mbuzan say o hwe current situation ya ekoso yi as compared to MPP abanye twemu no ono obetirima kire na adwen say ma me me MPP wama akwana obuza na sem no kra no ansi o oso on de on MPP won konkrofo na e no ho no nkobisa o it is always any power we say be say 5 million kra o man mu a 10 bia o man ne bebre because on MPP de on MPP onim pefe say NDC say wo de yemfa Mahama na wo di o manima na o ye president image na ho say from 1992 I started to abama mo bet na o ma yakonya so as your friend say yenya started democracy met na konya so on kire one big policy a NDC aya etimi aboa ama wo man obia ho etimi atone bie Mahama na mu kro ye president wontimi nka yet was a 24-hour economy akọ lanche ko do high say 24-hour economy no na omo campaign message kesi ane do ma no mibisa Ghana ni na odi akiri koto abase wanya adwumani bi ye eno ntina ye no bi yetinima ya din no na no madam fu bi frɛ me wo me ta abato so ye kokoto aba Ghana ka chem so on de onko me ka bibia wankɔ na ewo mu a chese onani nso nwa asɛm o wa frɛ me sɛ ukuru da hospital na wokɔhwɛ ne credit ayi mu no woni sika dem maamoa na nani mugu ase na am say na shift no wan ko bi honestly me bisa no say ma fia shift no ko bi ana wan ko bi because me free first shift na ebe it is a work or second shift and third shift you have you was with me enyeska ko yi ukunu o a friend is a hospital or mama jina ha ma bisa misika mama yetima ye din because na brother ba ko kasa no oka ye to abawie nkwase asem bia na nkofo bi kasa ye te ya na ye $10 as $20 enti na na wosere me na mama wa untimi nyem hu because ye nyina obi ade nsika ye debe ebo no ho bra wa hu ene 24-hour economy no busa Ghana ni ushia Ghana ni bia babu na busa na say 24-hour economy no o ye shift de hin o de busa na keke o shift ben wo free hour be what you say ya timi ya dwina to the point say asamfu bi ato etirima enka nya won say obi ba ha ebeba ase ha be tworo nkwase asem ya na misama ku se ka ho asem yi da bia o say o kasa na wani abre no kwase bia betena se o say pains mimi pains na me afa mo be ye nuanum a ewo Ghana na ya na ya kakra cause oye de ya o abusuafo Ghana na nkeka no nko a mimi ti me emfa me ho enka me ke nkud na be ka me shirt what you say because wona wo bre wona wo bre light bill a wutua enti ede na be ba so bi betimi aha dan obe rent a dan be a dan ne cost be say 500 Ghana but a month utua light bill bro 1000 Ghana. Doesn't make sense. Me when this for group bi mu na me say adada ko bi post ya de bi me stress a was say mo de mo ntra hadi na mo nya hypocrite na mo nkasa ye wu nu ti mo hu amamo ni nko yie but oye NDC ni o feel proud on my bonten me ka say ade we e koso no emoaye na ban no on sesa ne nsa Mahama ekuon enso wa maka o ma no atom otuko no utimi nnam kukwase wo kura nya wo fele na nya Ghana pa na yenye serious a na ko otuko no ba koko na se ho no kura no e wo se wo pa aba de bonus ne so dwiri esene nan na edika no dwiri ni nyina tugu because I think say no na man that kind of audacity na otimi nya ko akoko duro say me de beba kura se upon say ya timi koko so 1100 na mo say 1000 Ghana ya the calculation mo ya say are there 1,006? You have to swap about 3,006. You have to swap about 2,005. What's 1,000 Ghana? You have to there also 1,100. No to come to me back a kurasi be catch or say, "Maweninje because the canene the na motono na ekuafo the trade diane ekuafo or say they come you know in the statement be say me sentence in clear or say ekuafo the see enim say muton mukoko na aduane na modeto look just hear this madness just say enkwase akekan say ebufusem ahoroba hye enkwase ade ye ntimi nka nkire nipa kwakwetena ewurem hokọ ka kire kuyani se kuyani ne de onyani sika wo de to aduane just say kuyani ne enso so yen enam se ne American nti a ya cycle nkrofobia adwana se Ghana for ya adwene ya cycle ne gira fa ako a enko na eni mma na chinti oto na otie just because otuko no say na odinisi kan koto aduane en eye ne de na nka o kan sa kwase asemu no na nka wo gi microphone na wo start say otuko no wabodam enye aduane nko na kuyani di ne sikato kuyani ba ko school kuyani si dandam emani yeye kuyani tontoma to atade tompabo ahye kuyani timi di ne batukwan enti otuko no megina me kan kwase asem kire yen na mama na hu na me I don't blame them because nkrofo be gada wo no me nyi ni so obi o pass maka kire nkrofo be akọ gada na enemies no no makasa
exactly. So yeah, NDC people, some of them are no cocoa farmers, some of them over there were no cocoa farmers.
Enti me no wonder omakope efu be bi mu atena na omakosi sesa nkrofo na nka pa se me amiti han ama na obi otu kono timi aba be ka kirem se for instance na me yekuyani na me amiti han na oba ka kirem se mimi nyam sika me de to aduane a na me jawo na like abodam sim se kura de wa me kana anye de what me kokoo so eno kura me nka ho asem wie wo se ba be hye ma horo ba se me de misika koto aduane chese me de NDC fo ankasa no ada no
where is the lie koko there be koko ejuma enye hand to mouth na mo de ya na mo se me bodam
oyima koko ne bi obi o
uchira me bodam
there be friend say ama me koko nko aho me nkra me de kakra ya no koko me ndi omo kare afi ni nyina me kono na makwako yima de na me de me project am de ya na me de ko ho ma choose say sa koko fu na me tofri obi ho me make sure say me be make impact am de me sa kire so even koko nu kura ntimi de fertilizer hye na ba na mate ene di 5 years na ewu kura me fa ho ko be duru ono na de yesem de ya na ma ye enti koko no ye fa ndidi wo say
Me say so we cocoa cream work and pay.
Cocoa me friend didi enti ngase cocoa fo ndidi eye sa okra medwa onye otuko no asem ne bi na pese o ka kire obi o cocoa
I'm just a moderator of the show, so what has come is what I'm conveying. So
obi o cocoa be 100 acres maame mesi cocoa fo ebi obi papa cocoa fo skankasa enti omo mfa ndidi se ne asa akwase na o ka no ye mfa ndidi ye de bobla obi di na me se me papa di cocoa na hwe me ana me di university me papa di cocoa na hwe ne ma nyina omo na ye soso ye nyina ye beto ade akaso enti cocoa ne de enye nkwa na aduane nkwa na didi nti oba me tam nim kakra nti wo de me de ma no bisi no ye besere Ghana for se sa ba bia ye gina na ye se ye gina ha no mom yensesa why na MPP aban aboa yen no obeboa yen so and the Medima no bisi no I think that near can numbers in one sem eba mo chow mama ba foforo no number na da so no yes ye boama ye nua no mo ye life no o metima ato aso aye sremo kakra bia wo bia kakra bia nsa mate ama medase
Miss Medase enuanom ne abusuafo mesro nipa 78 na ye wo so no mesre mo friend say mesre bisa mo mpo aba ko mesre mo monkoye mon click wo ye no so your friend say ye DP no so na mon koye buy honom ye wo two links wo first link na ye YouTube link yes remwa mon click wo link no so na mon subscribe na se na mu bisa say dwumadi edi wo he eye na ya na mu bi no mu ni mre a mo de ba begina so nti ya ye mfe bi ngu YouTube na mo pon adwuma na makohwe nti yes remwa mon ko subscribe to the channel second link no ye WhatsApp channel no ehonum ne yede daily tidbits ne headlines ne news ahodo yede banti ehonum no so wo honum a ubenya news na ne say be ni every hour say every hour bia covid-19 I say covid-19 every hour bia we recording new case for Ghana ha enti esremo amonko subscribe to YouTube channel na monko follow WhatsApp channel no medam ase and I said dia captain kan no so emwade ye hia moa pan medam ase who is next Wisdom, and also called Betritching or Betritching, eh? Ah, network crying. Hey, Wisdom, Waba. Senior Marcus, I think Wisdom is not available.
Hello.
Wisdom, Waba.
Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, no. Rebecca, I can't get to having come to Mujaho.
Kete.
What Miss Ramwa, my peer free fear me quite want to know. More see me now, more people from now, but then I'm nice.
Okay, no problem with that.
I see the bus.
Okay, Senior Marcus. Matters are rising everywhere. Good afternoon, sir.
Anipemete okuja tuna asem da wareka. Dam abrente yo nam hoi. On cheribia NDC was at Fufu Bashane there. Yombedi President of the Republic of Ghana. Dam kushini nyipajenjeni on nam hoi.
Mr. Marcus.
Hello.
Me patron sana beshasi no. Mame mfa wo audio ne ma.
We need to clean this country. This country needs... Look, the young people of our country are angry. One, we need to clean. Two, we need to recover every single thing that has been stolen. Look, and those people who think that they are... And I can tell you on authority, I said this yesterday on another platform where I was with Honorable Andy Apiakubi. We know those who are moving money out of the country.
People are moving money
out
of the country.
Moving money to the Isle of Man. I'm stating locations. Isle of Man. To Mauritius. To the Canary Islands. To Guyana.
Hey, Guyana.
We know them, and they are moving money. Look, even last week, One of them called a remittance person and said, look, a person who does remittances, look, I need to move 5 million. How can you move it? US dollars? Yes. Look, you can't live to enjoy that money.
Operation Recover.
You will not enjoy that money. And I'm glad that, you see, people said they don't know what came over President Mahama when he came to my constituency during his nationwide tour. When he came to my constituency, that day, he dropped a lot of bombs. That's the day he told Baumia he won't debate him because he knows his level. Yeah. That same day, for the first time, and that was the only time in 276 constituencies, President Mahama mentioned names of people who have questions to answer. Let your crew take the tape. He did 3 places in my constituency. He did Ningo, did Pram and Afia. Your crew was there. They should give you the clip from Pram. You will hear President Mahama. He said, President Akufo-Addo, for 8 years, I have been a former president. I lived in Ghana. I didn't live outside the country. So if there was any prosecution or any questions you had to ask of me, I was here. Yeah. You will not go and live in the south of France. That mansion that has been built in the south of France will remain uninhabited. President Akufo-Addo must stay in Ghana to answer questions. President Mahama went ahead to mention Gabriel Tridaku as someone who needs to answer questions.
Absolutely.
Mention Ken Ofori-Atta as someone who needs to answer questions. Mention the one who suffered stroke in the UN. Asante Bediye. Yes. I said, take the clip from my constituency, Pram, and play it. Let your production go to President Mahama's visit to Pram, to my constituency. Not the first location in Ningo, the second place in Pram. When it was raining, he mentioned the names. These people have questions, and not just them. Others will have questions to answer. You ask yourself, why today the board chairman of ECG, who doubles as the leader of the mini minority in parliament, is seeking to pay a company of almost 270 million Ghana cedis in this last minute?
Well, the information minister says works have been done and certain financial clearance has been given.
The rates are too high.
And so they have to honor the payments. It is not because there's been a
those
change
payments. Those payments have been pending for months. They didn't pay. They want to pay today. Look, look. If you understand the level of graft and rot, that's why I said others have dipped their hands in the purse. This government has stolen the purse, and it must be a collective work across the nation, civil society, other political movements, and government. We must clean up our country.
Thank you. Mr. Marcus, never touch also.
Thank you so much. I think video no cry, it's rather made me relax because the way I was angered, my cancer, but we Inyima me Debbie Amada Yankopon say that I mean the little psychology, history, economics, or bomb mamitu metin you maybe I see. Thomas Hobbes can say maybe. And in the state of nature, no, he identifies 7 features of human beings. The first one, of course, every human being is selfish. Every human being is selfish. Now, NDC for no, they realize that Ghana for and Kofibia yaw we henomu enyi tan nyamfanti for fe enyi tan. And Damadino, they have played it to their own advantage. Into Ghana, naturally, or what tan bitterness be wonomu. Into the fact that obi oru tumponono ayane yaw. And majority of people, naturally, if you look at Abraham Maslow's theory of need, only few people will go to the top, the rest will stay down. And those at the bottom, they are the bitter ones because they can't progress. The NDC has tapped into that bitterness. Now, what the boringness of Honumu? Into the main from one pay MPP because naturally they hate the progress of people. Into fact with them there, most NDC supporters are anti-progressive people. One puntu abrabonumu. Now they are handicapped. Nyame bia nkoye naturally ebia wentuma nko school wentuma nsua adwuma na nankasa naturally no nyame bi nkoye ma no nti what the damo barna she wono mu no what afra so NDC NDC, the first principle you must know, NDC is not a political party. NDC is the nature of the person. So if the person is naturally a selfish, hateful person, no, we could do NDC. A baronkuti no honitrim.